Some boats look good at the dock. This one looks better at anchor in 3 feet of water. The Aquila 54 yacht. A power catamaran built for the days you want to disappear. Built for shallow water and long days. Twin hulls draw less than 5 feet, so the spots most boats can't reach are the ones you start at. 2 diesels push you over 20 knots when you need it, but mostly you'll run at 17. Fuel light, ride steady, conversation easy. Past the inlet before the rest of the bay wakes up. Swim platform drops to water. Tender stows on the aft platform. Sandbar to swim step in under 2 minutes. Cockpit grill ready by lunch. Sun pads on the foredeck for the afternoon. Foredeck lounges for the sunset. Hardtop drops over the flybridge when the wind picks up. Below, a full beam master forward. 2 guest staterooms aft. Crew cabin if you want it. 3 real heads. Sleeping 6 in proper rooms, not bunks pretending to be cabins. This isn't a boat you tour on a Sunday. It's a boat you live on for a week and don't think about coming home. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.